Hustle Attack the Truth TV. You understand? Subscribe to Hustle Attack the Truth TV. You see it? You understand? Big up to all of the fans who subscribe already. And big up to all who not subscribe yet. You see it? You understand? And big up to all who see the video and subscribe. Share my video. You see it? Share my video. Them people, you see it? And like and comment on them video. People, right now, want to subscribe and click the bell every time I post a video. Wanna get notified. You see it? Please, me and beg you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. You see it? People, and don't forget, follow me on Instagram. You see it by now, sir. We're gonna talk about Vybz Kartel. You see it? And Masicka, Shensia. You see it? And Jada Kingdom. Watch your video. Shensia don't want to reply to Jada Kingdom. People, Shensia and Jada Kingdom was best friend. Shensia start the war, okay? Shensia don't want to reply. Me tell you this. Two of them was friends, so probably Jada Kingdom know a lot of Shensia business. Every crevice, every corner. Jada Kingdom supposed to know Shensia business like her back her hand. And that's why probably Shensia don't want to reply to Jada, okay? Listen, nobody tell me say I choose Shensia the tour and I choose Shensia. Me say, Shensia reply to Jada, she gonna get more bookings. Me not ask you, you see it? Cause that build a career, you see it? Clash build a career. Although it build a career and it broke a career, bring it down, you see it? But Shensia start a while. She start a while. She supposed to can end it. Don't start a war if you don't mean it. Yeah, don't start a war if you don't mean it. You understand? Probably Shensia don't know nothing about Jada Kingdom still. And Jada got know a whole heap about Shensia. You understand? And Shensia don't want her business. You understand? Summer business on social media. You understand? Shensia don't want her business. Where if stay a back door on social media. And Jada Kingdom know the whole of them there. You see it? All of them there Jada know. You see it? Can know. Shensia. Me never know say you really run from the war still, you know. I tell you, me never know. All of your fans them. We say, where? All of his fans them tell yourself, answer girl. Answer Jada. And you go on. All the one Ramesh. You should have tell Shensia for answer, you know. Me no want to hear say, I choose she busy, I do tour. Cut some of them tour them man. You see it? And money she I make, you know what I have to make money. Put her up there. Say, oh, alright. We have cut even 3 shows, 4 shows. And do a whole heap of dub, a whole heap of tune for Jada. And so put out song. Simple as that. But Shensia run from the wall. She put a white flag. Shensia Jada don't want a white flag there. Use a white flag then wipe your face. People, we're going to talk about Vybz Kartel and Masicka. Vybz Kartel never come out on the social media. I write, I talk, say he want to be the king of the dancehall. People crown him fans him crown him, and say Vybz Kartel is the king of the dancehall, cause he lyrical bad. Me not see nobody lyrical like Vybz Kartel. So right now, neither Bounty Killer me not feel like can stand up to Vybz Kartel right now. Nobody in a dancehall, me not feel like can stand up to Vybz Kartel. Masicka, think about where you are do before, you see it. You understand? Check yourself before you wreck yourself, because you're out for wreck your career right now. You understand? You want to really go in a lyrical war with Vybz Kartel. You hear that youth? You want to crush your local career? You can't feed your mother and your family again, brother? You drop off a farm like alkaline. A system save alkaline, you know. Give alkaline a strength, you know. You want can't feed, can't send your daughter them or whoever who you send for go school and can't pay water bill and light bill. You hear that, brother? You can't look for go high with Vybz Kartel and a talk about you want to be king, you want to get the crown from the Vybz. Hey, better back up. Anybody about you tell him to stop your supplicant. You see it? Tell him to make some last go and give better. You see it? Cause right now the people them all your fans them who are say Masicka, we are who are all their manager. I tell you say yo, go do that you understand? Brother, I wrong thing you do. You go fill up, you go drop off a farm and you not go come back like alkaline. Dog and pussy have the same luck. Brother, back up. Hey, where you go?